How to make money on Facebook. Easy step-by-step user guide. You may not think of Facebook as new and edgy anymore, but you can't deny its popularity. There are more than 2 billion monthly active Facebook users, with 1.37 billion actively using the social network every day. It is no surprise, therefore, that many people and businesses try to earn money from Facebook. With such a vast potential audience, it makes good sense. It can be challenging, though, to make money on Facebook. Because of Facebook's sheer size, it can be challenging to stand out from the crowd. This is particularly the case now that Facebook only shows a selection of posts in a person's feed. In fact, is it probable that the statuses you lovingly craft and upload to your business page will reach no more than 2% of your followers? So before we get started, please hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future updates. Facebook is primarily a social network, an online place where people can hang out, socialize and share things of common interest. This is one of the reasons why it gives posts from someone's personal account a higher weight than posts from a page. Businesses always have to bear this in mind. It will always be easier for people to spread their words on Facebook than it is for companies. But it is not quite as clear-cut as that. So, build your audience first. The whole reason that influencers are successful on Facebook is that they have already gone through the process of building a following. You need to build up your expertise on Facebook by sharing a string of excellent posts, interesting links, images, and updates. To really succeed as an individual, you should build up an area of interest where you can become recognized as an expert. While businesses may choose to use influencers to market for them, they will probably also want to build up some form of Facebook presence themselves. Over time, they can use it to help people recognize them as experts in their niche. Starbucks has shown how to do this well, and its page has 37 million followers. The primary goal of your Facebook fan page should be to provide a place where people can get to know you. If they like your content, they will come to respect you. In time, that means they will trust you. And ultimately, they are likely to be happy to spend money to buy something from you. Kim Garst sums it up well when she says, "To sell on Facebook, you need to stop treating fans like a commodity and start treating them like your friends." How to make money on Facebook. Steps. 1. Selling items in the Facebook Marketplace or a Facebook buy and sell group. Depending on your location, you will see a wide variety of goods and services for sale on the Facebook Marketplace. These are listed in categories ranging from home and garden through to vehicles and bikes. A Facebook user can select the geographical area from which they see products for sale. For instance, you can set it to display goods for sale within a fixed distance of your home. You can also filter by price. You could earn some money by placing your spare goods on the Facebook Marketplace. You may have to enter into negotiations with people, so be sure to keep in mind the lowest price at which you are willing to sell. Similarly, there are buy and sell groups on Facebook in most regions. You can make posts selling your spare goods in these groups. They often have a common core of members, and therefore suffer less haggling from people trying to get a bargain. 2. Sell from your Facebook fan page. Many businesses discover that this can be tricky. It is not easy to build a high enough relevance score for your page's posts to appear in your followers' news feeds. Therefore, to make money on Facebook using your fan page, you need to create and share content that people value on a regular basis. As Kim Garst says, her Facebook selling formula is, be useful, be authentic, sell occasionally equals big Facebook sales. If you engage in influencer marketing, your influencers can help you with this. They can provide useful and authentic content, and direct their supporters to your fan page. You could consider adding some Facebook advertising to improve the reach of your sales posts. But don't forget, to build up an organic audience, the bulk of your posts cannot be sales-oriented. They need to be valuable and entertaining to your potential audience. With Facebook advertising, it's essential to remember where most Facebook users are in the buying cycle. They are not using the platform with the aim to buy anything at all. It is not like advertising on Google, where potential buyers search for terms to help them make a purchase. People come to Facebook to chat with their friends, catch up with what their acquaintances are doing, and watch funny cat videos, not to buy your product. Therefore, it is your responsibility to build a sales funnel. To do this, you want to reach as broad an audience as possible, so you should share a variety of content. Provide a mix of links to quality blog posts, videos, funny anecdotes, controversial statements, infographics, and anything else you think will attract people to you. They should, in some way, relate to the product you are promoting, or at the very least the type of people who would be interested in your product. 3. Operate a Facebook group in your niche. Although there is little value in running a Facebook group with the sole focus of making sales, it can be a useful way in which to let people know what you offer. Facebook groups can be particularly useful if you sell information products. You can set up a group, encouraging members to help each other and share ideas. Once again, you need to ensure that you offer group members useful content, and every so often you can suggest your product as a solution to their problems. Facebook groups can also work well as an offshoot of other activities. For instance, if your product is a course or an ebook, you could run a Facebook group for members of your class or people who have bought your ebook. If you provide paid coaching, you could use a Facebook group as a place where your clients can come together. You could perhaps even operate it as a mastermind group. 4. A suggested Facebook sales funnel. We believe there to be a 7-step funnel required for you to earn money on Facebook. In essence, his 7 steps are: create a variety of quality content for your warm audience, those people who have already expressed an interest in you or your product. Create a lookalike audience of people with the same interest as your warm audience. Promote high-quality content to that lookalike audience. Some of the lookalike audience will like what they see and become a fan of your Facebook page. Some may even choose to buy your product at this point. Use a Facebook pixel and remarket to those who have not yet purchased any products. Continue remarketing to those who have still not converted. Maximize your conversions. 5. Influencer marketing on Facebook. Influencers have done the hard graft of building a following. Anybody who is now a Facebook influencer started off as a Facebook nobody. However, they took the time to establish themselves in a niche, and they have gone through the necessary steps to build authority and trust, and therefore a following. They know that they can join partnerships with brands, spreading the brand's messages in ways that would otherwise be impossible for the brands. The most essential requirement is that the brand makes a good fit for the influencer's followers. Influencers can deliver sponsored content to their fans. They may also work more directly by sharing affiliate links. Sometimes influencers can promote products in a more subtle, perhaps humorous way. In the UK, the Meatman, who sells meat to the public and restaurants, paid a UK Facebook influencer Brad Holmes to make a funny prank video. In the clip, Brad pranks his fiancée into thinking she had ordered 500 kilograms of chicken instead of 5 kilograms, with a £2,000 bill to go with it. The Meatman's product sits in clearly labeled boxes in full view throughout the video. This Facebook influencer drove 7 million video views within 48 hours, and also led to newspaper coverage for the Meatmen. As a comparison, the Meatman's own Facebook page has only about 10,000 likes and could never have generated as much publicity on its own. Perhaps the best solution for a business is to build up its Facebook page, but at the same time work with influencers to kickstart the process, and give the reach that most brands can't achieve alone. That brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed the video, so please hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future updates. Thanks for watching.